It's like halfway on, ain't all the way on. And then the negative and the positive one. Turn it back. You know, try to start it. That's what it sounds like. I took the key out. Sound like I want to crank, but sound like ain't no gas in this mark to me.